Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tantara Sapira from English Department of Andalas University. In this video, I would like to explain about politeness. In order to understand politeness, there are several terms that we have to know and understand. The first is face. What is face? Face in politeness doesn't refer to the actual meaning as shown in the dictionary. However, face in politeness is considered as the public self-image of someone. It is the feeling of how we want to be perceived by others, or the feeling of how we want to be recognized by others in the society. So, in the terms of face, there are two kind of faces. The first is positive face, and the other one is negative face. Positive face is a desire of being appreciated, or being looked up and being considered as the same member of a group or community in the society. And the other one is negative face. Negative face is the one who don't want to be interrupted and imposed by others. So it is the feeling of want to be independent and being freedom and have a space of their of themselves. So the other term in the politeness is FTA. FTA is considered as the way or the actions or the strategy that used in the communication in order to lessen the threat on someone's face. So it will lead to the positive politeness and also the negative politeness. Positive politeness is a strategy that seek to minimize the threat on to the hearer positive face. So it will appeal the hearer positive face. For example, like I want to borrow my friend's note named Melinda. So I will say it, Melinda, glad to see you. I know that you are good in note taking, and your writing is really beautiful. So would you like to lend me your note? So in this example, I create the closeness with Melinda. So it will appeal Melinda's positive face. However, the negative face the negative politeness is the opposite of positive politeness. So in negative politeness, we create a distance between the speaker and the listener. The negative politeness is oriented towards the hearer negative face, and it is emphasized in the avoidance of the imposition of someone. So they will have a freedom to say yes or no. For example, like when I want to borrow Melinda's note, but I want to I aware of Melinda's negative face, and I aware of Melinda's independent and freedom. So I will say it like this. Melinda, I know that you have an effort to this, but last time I didn't come to the course. Would you like to help me? Would you like to help me to lend me the note just for once? So it will create the negative face. It will appeal the negative face of Melinda. So the other example, I can say like this. Uh, I'm really sorry to. I'm really sorry to say this, but would you like to help me to lend me the notes, please? So that is the concept of positive politeness, and also the negative politeness. And then the other terms that we have to know in politeness is the politeness strategy. The politeness strategy, such as the first is about on record. It is the direct utterance of someone to others. For example, like uh, close the door, please, or can you shut up? So it create the harsh. So it really harsh. And the other one is off record. Off record here means that considering not to force others or not to embarrass others. So off record more like indirect utterance of someone in speaking. So for example, like it's quite cold today, and the other one will say uh, oh I'm sorry, I will close the window. So we give the clues for the hearer, and it is more likely the indirect utterances. So that's all my explanation about politeness. So I hope this will help you in order to understand the politeness. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.